Nation, what's up guys? It is early morning. I am making my Bulletproof Coffee. First thing that goes in is ghee, tablespoon per cup you're gonna make. Then I got my organic coconut MCT oil, aka fast fuel for the body and brain. And then in addition, I have my multi-collagen protein. Collagen's actually the most readily available protein in the body. Pretty cool stuff. We want to put that in the body so we can stay massively swole and healthy. And then coffee. We add coffee. 1, 2, sometimes 2 cups. Mix it all up in the blender, and then we sip on it while we answer our emails, while we set the day. Let's get it. Let's go. Happy Motivation Monday, by the way. That's some good coffee. Was in here getting after it. Nicola, Ronaldo, Nico, getting big, baby. Let me find out. Curtis, calm. He can't hear me. He's in the zone right now. Face pulls for days. He's doing a 1,000-pound face pull. On the grind, baby. Motivation Monday. You know we're getting that full body banger in. Let's go. Workout, Nico. How you feeling?
Tired.
Look at that pump. Let's go, baby. Nico's first day. Y'all gonna see him get beastie. King Kong and Ryan over here grinding. Front raise, front raise, row your boat, big Kong. Yep. Here, baby, in the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah.
Dude, spun the thing too fast.
Hey, dang, Kobe getting mad at the car wash. I wanted to take you guys through with us. We just left the gym. Me and my man Nicola training hard together. And we shot a training tip Tuesday for a special someone out there. Shout out to my man. You will see tomorrow. Gonna go crush some post-workout meal at Core. And I think we're gonna go see a movie.
Yeah, A Quiet Place.
Cool. We'll give you guys the full review. Let's go eat at Core after this car wash. Yeah. What you rubbing on, Cole?
And switch it up today for chicken cob.
Dang, what's your shirt? Dream big, work hard, stay focused.
Today's business, baby. Motivation Monday.
Oh, my man killing the game. We're going to see A Quiet Place. Rome, are you excited?
Yeah, Jim totally bailed on Pam for this movie, so I'm disappointed, but
I think it was an Office reference because the guy Jim from The Office wasn't at Rome.
yes.
Big Office fan.
Yeah,
Oh, Vegas.
just watching it.
The biggest.
Just watched their wedding.
Oh, such a beautiful thing. We'll give you guys a review after the show, let you know if Jim from The Office did everything he was expected to do. Sounded good. Post movie footage review, Kong. We just actually walked out of the restroom, as you can see. Bladders were full. What do you say, Kong? Overall review rating out of 10?
No, I'll say 7.3.
7.3, on par with his 7.5 that he gave our last movie.
But the last movie was better, I thought.
What do you think, Rome? Overall rating out of 10 for A Quiet Place featuring Jim from The Office.
6.8.
6.8. So you heard it here first, people.
It was thrilling.
Thrilling. Thrilling Nation.
It was.
And that is the movie recap. I'm going to go ahead and give it a 7. Overall average, a 7 out of 10. Moderately recommended.
Highly suspenseful.
Highly suspenseful. A lot louder than I had imagined.
Chicken wings.
Now, chicken wings, according to Kong.
This is a long one.
This is a long one.